you bras instead of pickled eggs, chocolate instead of chutney, good red wine instead of bad red wine. Next time I remember your birthday, I ate peaches straight from the can. The juice ran down my tongue, over my lip, slipped on my chin, dripped on your parents' carpet. The air in here is dead, but we're not finished yet. Throw the back door open,